Welcome back everyone, I'm Chris. In this video we are going to see about the US national debt. As you can see live, national debt of US is $31 trillion. More than that, as one person, every one person has a $94,000 per US American citizens. Before going to see about this one, I want to give a quick review of my portfolio. That is, as you can see here, I have two goals for this portfolio. First one is consistently beat the Nifty 50 index year over year, but you can see my portfolio is doing not very well in 1 month and every 6 months also. And these are the stocks I have, and I'm consistently holding these stocks. I'm not selling this is the best time to buy the stocks, as I can see. And one of my holding company, that is in the Asian Paints, which came out with the result and it was not so good, and it has also fallen. That's not a problem. And as I said you in the earlier video, I have bought, and if I come below some this price 2870, I will be buying, and so I bought it. So this is my portfolio, and it has not been doing very well. It's kind of not working. My strategy is not working well as of now, and let's see how it goes in the future. And before that, this is in those all stocks. These are the stocks which I own in my broker account, same as the both are same. And let's see those in PDF form. As you can see, this all the same quantity I hold. Okay, this is my query of my portfolio. And now we are coming to the US national debt. Now let's go into Joe Biden has told, like, US national debt and how it is going to affect everyone. So now I'm going to listen to Joe Biden and what he will say. Then afterwards I will be giving my comments on that one. Okay, let's now listen for Joe Biden.
Has accumulated over 200 years. Over 200 years. Not a joke. That's how long. That's what the national debt is. It's over, $31 trillion.
As you can see in this video, is told, like, is 31 trillion, more than 31 trillion dollars it has accumulated, like over 200 years. So one point I would like to say is, like, every country needed debt to grow. It's not like our people, like, we don't make so much debt, but countries need debt to growth of that country. So it's very important, but it should, debt level should be moderate. So now we are going to see this. This is the live depth count, and how the depth is going up and down in from past one century. Now we can see this is 2023, and here we have depth of $31 trillion. This is the graph over, like, GDP debt per head by the public, percentage of GDP. And here you can see the depth of the US in second world war was same as like today's depth. And afterwards, after second world war, depth has been going very well down. Okay, by the end of 75, depth has come to really very much low for USA. So let's see same thing how the stock market has done in this period. Now here is the thing which I currently showing you. This is a S&P 500 historical chart, how it has been done over this period, between 1945 1946 to 1970. Let me adjust this one. Okay, you can see here, from here, as you can see, as soon as the world war finished and the countries has come to, like, not in recession, some type of economic slowdown. So as soon as they decrease the depth of their country, and stock market has fallen down in 1 or 2 years. So this is a bad sign for in a stock in a small term, like 2 to 3 years. But having a low depth in a long term is very good. See, we can see like after that until 75, like stock market has done very well. So in a short term death is not good, but in a long term death is depth is very well. If you have a very low depth, is very good in the long term. So this is one of the key lessons I would be seeing. But this is just an Joe Biden just asking the Congress House leaders to do this. This is not as implemented as of now, so we don't turn to worry as of now. And if they do anything in as my regarding, and what I say is so it will affect the stock market in short term period of time.
But it's over
Okay.
200 years.
It's
One quarter of it is a fundamental disagreement on what we should do. Well, it's not
so
just
you was
cutting.
telling like
What do you
what should we
reneging
do to generate cut this lot of debt. He was like going to do some increase the tax for the richer people like billionaires. That's not our problem, because billionaires anyways they will escape from this test trap. Doesn't matter from the matter for them, but for us only it's a problem. So I'll be cautious for this thing. Let's see how it will works out. I don't if they increase the depth only, then it will affect the stock market. But this is just in the words as now. I don't think like so. If they will cut the depth, let's see what happens. During the time of the coronavirus, they have increased the depth. That's why stock markets have rallied. You can see like US depth was like $25 trillion, and increased it suddenly another $6 trillion of it. That's why the stock market has given on a 5% return in short term. So it's a good sign to have depth, but it should be at a moderate level. Let's see what's happened in next episode, or what Joe Biden will do. That's all for this episode. Thank you.